Are you still getting issue or getting difficulties in withdrawing your MemeFi airdrop into your OKX wallet, or you get it in a format in which I'm going to be teaching you in this video that you can get it in very simple formats and get Naira using Itepe mobile app? Welcome to Ite Airdrop. This channel discusses about cryptocurrency, how to make money online, latest airdrop to mine so you can start making money and get it into your Bybit account or your Binance account. Then you convert it into USDT. You can then stay your USDT with Itepe mobile app. Before I continue, give this video a thumbs up, like, go to the comment section, react on this video, and don't forget to click on subscribe. Congratulations to all miners, MemeFi miners. The allocation is already done after the snapshot and every other thing. Now is the step of withdrawing your MemeFi airdrop. In this video now, you're going to be getting simple format to withdraw your MemeFi airdrop. When you click on airdrop from this place, you're going to be seeing we have this account now. I'm having 0.0 worth of MemeFi points. So guys, I have criteria to review your airdrop qualification. The next part is to click on ecosystem activity. When you click on ecosystem, this is where you can connect your wallet using Web3. That is what they recommended to use in withdrawing your MemeFi coin into your, let me say, OKX wallet. So the next part now is to click on import your Web3 wallet through OKX. Make sure you go to your Apple Store or your Play Store, or let me say App Store. Then you download your OKX wallet. After you download your OKX wallet, then you click on connect wallet. After connecting the wallet, you can connect mini wallet or the normal app. So let me click on connect to OKX. After you click on connect to OKX, but there's one issue we are having in Nigeria. As you are watching this video from Nigeria, we have issue of getting Nigeria account created in Nigeria. So the only solution I'll be providing for you in this video is to get a VPN, create account with maybe UK account or US. Then you are going to link your email address, then verify the account. I think this is the only step. My own, I use UK VPN. Then I give my account login details to one of my friends in the UK to verify the account for me. Then if any money should enter into my OKX wallet, I will now transfer out the coin or convert into USDT from that OKX, then transfer into my Bybit, or I go to Google Play Store, then I search for Itepe, or I go to Google, I search for ITEPAY, I register account with Itepe, then I go to MemeFi. After clicking on MemeFi, we have Ethereum there. So the only aspect in which we can trade in MemeFi now is get it in terms of Ethereum. But now we're going to be doing a little features about this. Just make sure you do something like this. Create a OKX wallet account using VPN. So if you want me to teach you how to create account using VPN, you can go to my comment section. Drop me. You want me to create a video how you can use VPN to create OKX account in Nigeria. So guys, with this, I think it's very simple to convert your MemeFi airdrop points, get it withdraw into your OKX wallet. Then we can now trade on Itepe, or you go to Bybit, transfer it to Bybit. You can trade P2P. We have different way of trading our crypto in Nigeria, but Itepe is one of the mobile app that you can use to this is just a P2P platform, not a centralized platform like that. Just go to the Itepe mobile app, you sell or you buy your crypto. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to go to the comment section if you want me to create a video on how you can use VPN to create OKX wallet or OKX account in Nigeria. So guys, thank you for watching. Before I call it today, don't forget we have a giveaway we run on Itepe. You can go to Google, search for ITEPAY, then you create account to win this 50k giveaway. So thank you for supporting me in just 3 months I start this channel. I really appreciate you guys for supporting me. Yeah, bye for now.